more sets. The Lady Falcons now have a 4-7 record and still in Final Four contention. We have Coach Katie Uden, Shine Nanikura, and Mayani. Coach, belated happy birthday, and congratulations for the win.
Happy birthday to you.
Coach, this is a fitting birthday thing for you at tinalo niyo yung #1 team in the league, the NBA Bulldog. So ano masasabi mo nakita ng effort ng mga bata all throughout this match?
First of all, gusto ko i-praise lang and for the win. Kasi pag win nila talaga naman kayo stop. Bibigay sa amin talaga yung panalo at tatrabaho yung mga bata ng todo din. Walang makaka-intervensi. Kahit malakas sa team, di ba kaya na because din sa trabaho ng mga bata. So I'm very proud sa mga bata ngayon because napalang sa alam pa lang nila, palang is alam mo na maglalaro sila na gusto nilang manalo sa game na to. So body language pa lang nila, nakikita ko na agad na gusto nilang manalo at mananalo talaga because the willingness na manalo nandun sa ginagalaw nila. So may mga times na din, may mga lapses na nag-on and off but still hindi lang pinabayaan yun kasi sa part ng journey, sa part ng journey na may challenge talaga na may mga ganun. Tsaka paano nila, so paano nila lagpasan yun, especially nung second set, namakan kami, but still, diba nag-respond na maayos ang lahat pagdating ng third set at fourth set. So praise God for the win talaga.
Thank you to Mayang. We had 7 attacks, 1 block, and 3 digs. So it has been a long time since nanalo ang Adamson sa ANU High School. Kapag lang noon, muling nanalo Adamson sa ANU. So alam mo na sayo mo na sa pinakitang airport ng team today. Ano man sabi? China, the first UAP women's volleyball player to score 30 plus points in a season. We had 30 attacks, 2 blocks, 10 digs, and 6 extra receptions. So yun na, finally, since the opening, kasi naka 33 points ka na opening, nanalo, and then this time, panalo. So, also, you feel that this is probably your biggest win sa young UAP career mo against the defending champions of K-State.
maglalagyan lahat ng hirap. So, happy birthday.
Thank you.